guests who've also come from outside Tripura. We are honored to have them here in our midst. हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं कि हमारे कुछ मेहमान त्रिपुरा के बाहर से भी आए हैं. उनमें है श्री जेम्स पेरेरा जो कि एक बहुत फेमस डिज़ाइनर है, और यामिनी शाह जो त्रिपुरा के इतिहास के ऊपर गुजरात से आए हैं. तो हम प्लीज़ गिव देम अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. थैंक यू. Respected Chief Guest, Honorable CM Professor Dr. Manik Shah, who will be here, but anyway I'm addressing him. Distinguished guests, Professor Ganga Prasad Prasain, Vice Chancellor of Tripura University. Guest of honor, Lok Sabha East MP Maharani Kriti Devi, our CEM Shri Purnachandra ji, esteemed guests, our invitees and my young friends. Firstly, I would like to thank all of you for having come to today's program. I'm extremely grateful to the TTAADC CEM Chairman, EMs, and Maharaja Pradyut Kishore Manikya, and all the organizations who have assisted us in helping us with this program. Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur was born 116 years ago on the 19th of August 1908. We honor him since he was a monumental figure, a genius in his own right, a progressive and visionary ruler who has left an indelible mark on Tripura's historical, social and cultural landscape. His reign from 1923 to 1947 marked a golden era, characterized by transformative changes and development in all fields, including administration, education, military reorganization, social, cultural, religious reforms, and most importantly, in recognizing the need for a reserved area for protecting the rights of the indigenous people of the state of Tripura. Today, I stand before you on that very soil that our Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya De Burman promised you. Hence, I feel a sense of pride to collaborate with the TTAADC to honor and showcase our beloved king's contribution to the people of our state. हमें बहुत खुशी है कि TTAADC के साथ में हम ये पहली बार ये कार्यक्रम करने जा रहे हैं, जिसमें एग्जीबिशन भी है महाराजा वीर विक्रम के 116th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पर. हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पर आकर, क्योंकि ये जो स्थान है TTAADC में, महाराजा वीर विक्रम ने ये जो ज़मीन आज हम जिसमें खड़े हुए हैं, ये उनके बदौलत ही हमको मिला है. ये उनका विजन था कि रिजर्व्ड एरिया होना ही चाहिए हमारे लोगों के लिए, उनके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, उनके राइट्स के लिए. तो ये जगह से और बेहतर कौन सी जगह हो सकती है? तो हमको महाराजा को इस विषय पर हमें भूलना नहीं चाहिए. उनका बहुत बड़े कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस थे जो कि हम एग्जीबिशंस में भी देखेंगे, पर ये उनका सबसे बड़ा कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन है. As the state convener of Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, INTAC, Tripura chapter, I am happy to say that we have been instrumental in promoting the history of Tripura. It has always been our endeavor to create awareness about our rich heritage and instill a sense of pride in our culture. However, one of the biggest challenges that we faced was misinformation being spread about the history of Tripura and the Manikya dynasty in particular. Thus in 2008 में पहली बार इंटैक्ट त्रिपुरा, I was convener then also, हम लोग ने पहली बार एक प्रोग्राम किया था महाराजा वीर विक्रम के 100th बर्थडे पर. उसके पहले कोई ने नहीं किया था. So in 2008 as convener of Intact Tripura, we organized our very first centenary celebrations on his birthday, that is on the 19th of August 2008, we brought out a souvenir and had a photographic exhibition based on his life and achievements along with a cultural program. It was a huge success with the public, and thereafter we have been observing his birth anniversary throughout the state. In fact, his birth anniversary has been recognized by the state government finally and is now a public holiday and is celebrated throughout Tripura. It is our duty to encourage preservation of our heritage and promote research amongst our youth, as they are the future leaders of the country. Thus, we felt that writing in a vernacular language like Kokborok was essential. This year, we are bringing out a revised version of our very popular souvenir on his 116th birth anniversary, along with a new book, Mukumu, in Kokborok, dedicated to the Maharaja. तो पहली बार कॉकबोरोक में इंटैक्ट त्रिपुरा चैप्टर ने महाराजा के लाइफ पर किताब निकाला है. We have also collected rare photographs and documents, maps and some interesting artifacts and exhibited them here today. I hope it will enrich your understanding of our Maharaja's contributions to our people and our country and inspire you to build a progressive Tripura and fulfill his dreams. Once again, I thank all of you for your presence here and pray that Maharaja's 116th birth celebrations continue to inspire us. Thank you.